Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and today I'm going to make a lot of beautiful noise talking about Origaudio's flagship speaker, the BOXANNE. The BOXANNE is available in the US through HPG company Origaudio and also in Canada through HPG company Debco. When Jason Lukash and Mike Zimzak set out to make this company, they decided that they wanted to create an experience. They wanted to create some of the world's best audio equipment that would rival some of the top speaker makers in the world. But they didn't just stop there. They wanted the whole thing to be an experience, which is why they took such exceptional care when it comes to the packaging. So let's do a little unboxing. But before we do, have a look and see that this particular box has a clear vinyl window that allows the brand to shine through, something that's really important in our industry. But when we go to open this product, along comes a wonderful speaker, and wait for it, another little surprise. Now, Origaudio is one of the few companies in the industry with an exceptional sense of humor. Everything they do is funny and makes you smile. And it's no different with the box within the box on this particular product. This green little box is entitled Things You Might Want to Keep. I love that. It makes me wonder what's in it. It makes me want to have a look inside. And when we do that, we're going to find three things. First of all, we're going to find an auxiliary cord that allows us to plug this BOXANNE into any device so that you can listen to it manually. Second of all, you've got a charging cable, which is great and useful. And third, you've got a wrist strap that can be used to attach this speaker to a golf bag, to a bicycle, to a stroller. The applications are limitless, and I love that little extra that's thrown in here. But in terms of quality, let's explore what the BOXANNE is all about. At 3 watts of power and a subwoofer built right into it, this little speaker packs a ton of punch. Price for value, I've yet to see another speaker in any of the big box stores that rivals this one, that actually has the same quality and is less expensive. I haven't found it yet, so you're going to love the value on this one. In addition to that, it's built to last. The sound quality is exceptional, and the buttons are built right into the top over here, and they're easy to use and navigate. Fast forward songs, change the volume, and even take a phone call because the BOXANNE has a built-in microphone, which is fantastic for interrupting your song and taking a phone call from your best friend. You will love it. In addition to that, it's constructed with a rubberized outer finishing and feet that are rubberized so that it doesn't bounce off the table when you're listening to it and the music is thumping. In addition to that, in terms of brandability, I love it. You can put a full color logo coast to coast on the front grille, or you can put a full color logo on the back using a dome. And how much is that going to cost you? Well, I'm going to tell you that Origaudio has never believed in setup costs. So for a full color process on the front and the back, you're looking at 0 setup cost. What's your minimum order quantity? Well, Origaudio doesn't believe in minimums. You can order one piece with no setup and deliver this to anybody you want. What an exceptional concept, isn't it? I love it. There's also a handy little trick that I want to tell you about that a lot of people aren't aware of. And that's the ability to buy this product overseas and customize it at only 100 units. When I say customization, one of the things you can do is include a sound card that'll actually give you a 6-second sound bite every time you turn this product on. So let's say I was the CEO of a company and we were giving away this product. Every time someone gets it, they get to hear my little greeting message for 6 seconds. Or if you work at a motorcycle dealership, you could record the sound of a motorcycle rumbling so that everybody who test drives your motorcycles is going to get one of these afterwards, and when they turn it on, they'll hear the rumble of the motorcycle. I love the unlimited possibility of what you can do with that little 6-second sound bite, making this product so unique and so different than many of the other speakers I've seen in the industry. For all of those reasons, I adore this product. I highly recommend it, and I think you will love it. On behalf of Promonoise, thank you very much for watching our video. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel because we are constantly coming out with beautiful content designed to make you more profitable. Share these videos with your friends, your colleagues, or your customers, and tune in to www.promonoise.com for the latest and greatest information. I'm Alex, and thanks for spending time with me today.